Hi, thanks for joining us here today at Hunt Club Nissan. My name's Jason. Let's take a look at our 2015 Nissan Micra SV. This vehicle features great options like Bluetooth, cruise control, remote keyless entry, and so much more. Starting with the front of the vehicle right here, you can see you've got beautiful halogen headlights that are amped to your high beams and low beams, and then just down below that, nice styling as you can see, a set of 15-inch steel wheels with hubcaps all the way around, and you've got nice disc brakes on the front and drums on the rear. Body colored accents on the door handles and nice black accents around the windows give it a sporty appearance right here. So we move to the back of the vehicle and open it on up. You get tons of storage space in this little Micra, as you can see. And you have a 60-40 split folding rear seat. Moving around now, looking more at the side profile of the vehicle, you can see again great styling to this vehicle. As we get a little closer right here, opening up the driver's door, you can see you've got all your window buttons right here with power windows, including an automatic down window for the driver. Over to the left of the steering wheel, you can see you've got your power mirror adjusters, and then of course your traction control buttons. Now this is a 6-way driver's seat, so it's 6-way adjustable. You've got height, tilt, along with forward and back. So tons of comfort options here for this great daily driver vehicle. In the back right here, again, you can see more of those design cues are the same as we move through the vehicle. Sitting behind the driver's seat now, you can see on the left hand side are going to be all your audio system and Bluetooth controls. Right hand side has all your cruise control functions. Left sticks for lights, right sticks for wipes, and then you can see right there your gauge cluster of the vehicle only has 65,891 4 kilometers. So move over into your entertainment system area. You can see that you've got your AM FM CD radio system right here, and then it also includes an auxiliary port. Down below you've got 3 dials for fan speed, temperature, and air direction, along with 2 buttons for your rear defroster and your AC controls. Rear defroster also turns on your heated outside mirrors. Looking back over here now, you can see that's going to be what your shifter looks like, a little bit of storage and a nice power plug next to your parking brake. Up above right here, you've got your rear view mirror, and then of course your interior lighting controls, and then lastly a Bluetooth microphone for all of your important calls. Rear view mirrors also have little extenders on them right here, as you can see, which will help make sure to keep some blotted out of your eyes on those long drives. That's been a quick tour of our 2015 Nissan Micra, available here today at Hunt Club Nissan. The showroom's open 9 a.m. to 9 p.m. Monday to Friday, 9 to 5 on Saturdays, and we're always available online at huntclubnissan.com. My name's Jason. Thanks so much for joining me here today, and we look forward to seeing you in our showroom soon.